Skipton Building Society Review, Honest User Experience and Features Breakdown. Skipton Building Society has been around for more than 170 years, but how does it hold up in the digital era? After using their services firsthand, here's my honest review. Skipton stands out for its focus on savings accounts, mortgages, and investment options. Opening an account was simple, and I appreciated the straightforward online process with clear guidance. Most people get this wrong. They assume building societies are outdated or behind banks technologically, but Skipton has modernised impressively. Their online portal and mobile app are intuitive, offering real-time balance checks, secure messaging, and easy transfers. The savings rates are competitive, especially on fixed-rate and regular saver accounts. I found that their mortgage rates and customer service were among the best in the mutual sector, friendly, transparent, and without the pressure of sales-driven banking. Another major strength is Skipton's financial advice service. For anyone planning retirement or looking into ISAs, their consultants offer professional guidance without jargon or unnecessary complexity. However, there are a few limitations. They don't provide current accounts, and branch access may be limited depending on your location. Still, their online support more than makes up for it. Security and trust are top-notch, backed by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which protects deposits up to the standard limit. In short, Skipton Building Society delivers exactly what it promises: honest, member-focused financial service with a human touch. If you value stability, transparency and solid savings options, Skipton is a name you can trust.